So Hardy Weinberg Equilibrium talks about a population where there are absolutely no disturbances to bring about genetic variation. So the population is in perfect equilibrium with its surrounding. This actually cannot happen in reality. This is purely a hypothetical state, and this is called Hardy Weinberg Equilibrium, where there is absolutely no disturbances that is acting on a population. The first part of Hardy Weinberg equilibrium talks about allelic frequencies or gene frequencies. So when we talk about gene frequency, say for example a population has two genes or two alleles, that is capital A allele and small a allele. Let us say that the frequency of capital A allele is denoted by the letter small p, and the frequency of the recessive allele small a is denoted by the letter small q. According to Hardy Weinberg equilibrium, when a population is in a perfect equilibrium, when it is not evolving, remember when I say Hardy Weinberg equilibrium, it means that the population is stagnant, it is not evolving at all. That's why I told you this is not possible in reality. And as per this Hardy Weinberg equilibrium, in a stagnant population, the sum of the allelic frequencies is always equal to 1. If you add up P and Q, that is the allelic frequencies of the dominant and the recessive allele, you will always get a value of 1. And also P will have the same value throughout. How many ever years pass, P will be constant and Q also will be the constant. So here it says that the allele frequencies remain stable and constant generation after generation. They do not change at all. The second part of Hardy Weinberg equilibrium talks about genotypic frequency. Say you can make three genotypes out of two alleles, capital A and small a. You can obtain a genotype which is homozygous dominant, and then heterozygous capital A small a, and homozygous recessive. If I ask you the frequency of capital A, the frequency of the homozygous dominant individual will be p square, the frequency of heterozygote will be 2pq, and the frequency of double recessive individual will be q square. So as per the equilibrium, p square plus 2pq plus q square will also be equal to 1. So when we talk about allelic or gene frequency, the equation that you must think of is p plus q is equal to 1. When you think of genotypic frequency, the equation that you must remember is p square plus 2pq plus q square is equal to 1. You can reduce it into p plus q to the power square, that is whole square is equal to 1.